Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a little bit of unboxing. Ordered a couple stuff online. It's going to be a little bit of an unboxing. But yeah, let's get right into it. So, well, we're gonna say this. As you guys can see, I already ordered a little bit of stuff, you know. We're gonna blur out that, but you know, already opened it. Already took a peek, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I ordered. I don't know if you guys have heard, but you know, Nike SBs are making a little bit of comeback. So shout out to Jeff Stable on Instagram. You guys go follow him on Instagram, subscribe to him on Twitter, follow him on Twitter, everything like that. Kind of a dope piece. I was just kind of like, you know, wandering around eBay, and I just came across this little you know, the pigeon returns. You know, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I kind of came across this the pigeon returns. So pretty much he came out with the black pigeon Nike SB Dunk. That the black colorway was released in. It was released to certain stores around the country. I'm not sure on how many pairs were released to the public, but this is something I can, you know, just display in the hype room. You know, when I get my own hype room, I'm gonna display it. But you know, it's pretty cheap. You know, maybe 15 to 20 bucks on eBay. You know, something cool, classic little newspaper you can read about. You know what I'm saying? Tells you everything on how to, you know, let's get right into it. You know, the black colorway, black pigeon colorway. You see what I'm saying? You know, let me put that up for you guys. See that? Ooh, that's the black pigeon colorway right there. You know. So just something really cool that I ordered online. You know, I just wanted to really, you know, he has the OG pigeon dunk on there as well. You know, shout out to Jeff Stable for that. You know what I'm saying? OG pigeon dunk for that. And it's also in this video. It tells you how to, you know, how they, you know, make the design or the thought process that went behind this shoe. So let me get that for you guys. But pretty much it shows you the thought process that went behind it. Again, shout out to Jeff Stable for that, because this is very creative and very inspiring for me and for fellow sneakerheads and Nike SB collectors. This is a collector's piece right here. So shout out to Jeff Stable for that. And also, shout out to Myths NYC. Follow them on Instagram. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. You know, put the link in the description below. But that enough of that. A little inexpensive Nike SB collector's little piece. You know, I can display in the hype room. But if you guys got any ideas for me to do for videos, let me know. Comment in the description below. Oh, and please like and subscribe on this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also please touch that notification bell. I'm at 300 subscribers right now, on the way to 1,000. You know, God bless. You know. Again, shout out to Myths NYC on Instagram. That's gonna be MYTHSNYC on Instagram. Also MYTHSNYC.com. Check them out. They got dope pieces, dope things you can buy online. Also, they have a store in NYC. If you're local to the New York area, please stop by and check them out. Alright. I ordered a couple pieces from Soul Play ATL in Atlanta. You know, it's a little sneaker / hypebeast / any clothing, designer clothing boutique. So I ordered a couple pieces off of that, you know. So what I'm gonna do is this is kind of a comparison too. This is my first 2 mystery boxes that I purchased offline. So shout out to being quarantined. It's something to do. I was kind of just in the house, and I was just kind of scrolling through eBay, you know, ads, and I just kind of came across a mystery box, and I went to their website, and bam, have $50 mystery box and a $75 mystery box. Let me get that thumbnail right quick. Alright guys, like I was saying, sorry I had to create a thumbnail. You know how it is, gotta create a thumbnail. But anyways, get right back into the video. So first piece I ordered, not really familiar with this brand, honestly, but what is this thing? This is a Raw shirt. It's a plain red and white little throwover Raw shirt. Great for the summertime. This is a size. This is a size small. You know, for all my little people or little smaller men out there. You know what I'm saying? But this shirt retailed at $55. Not too bad. A little plain red and white shirt you can wear with anything. A couple jeans on or some shorts on and put a couple low top shoes on. You know what I'm saying? Not too bad. This is all from the $50 mystery box, guys. So remember that. So this shirt is $55 right here. Retail price of $55, and this is a $50 mystery box. So already we're over the amount that we paid for the mystery box. So we're up one. The next shirt. Ooh. Should I save this one for later? I think I should. Y'all want to see that? So that was the mystery box for that was the two items for the mystery box for the $50 mystery box. I'm not gonna show you what the shirt is yet, but this shirt retailed at $35. This is size small. I'm gonna show you that later. All right, we're gonna get into $75 mystery box. Again, shout out to Soul Play LTA, ATL in Atlanta. Sorry about that. Shout out to them. Again, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Gotta check them out. They got dope pieces on their online website, and also they got a store in Atlanta. You guys can check out if you're local to the Atlanta area. Ooh, I'll say that with the lady too as well. I'm so sorry, guys. All right, we're gonna start this off right here. This is a Zane robe shirt. Not familiar with the brand. Got the little plain blue Zane robe on the front of it right here. You guys can see that a little bit. You know, got the blue on the back, Zane robe. Pretty dope little Zane robe, gray and light blue type of shirt. Easy to wear with anything, you know. Never had this shirt before. I don't really know this brand, but this shirt retailed at $59.99. So $60 a shirt. So that's a $75 mystery box right there. So for the $50 mystery box, the Raw shirt was $55. And I haven't revealed the other shirt was $35 price. I haven't revealed the other shirt on the $50 mystery box yet, but the Raw shirt is $55, and the shirt that I haven't revealed is $35. So you take your math, and what's that? 55 plus 35. You know what I mean? I'm already up one on that, so that's a good sign for the $50 mystery box. And again, not kind of hyping my head up because these are not really expensive mystery boxes. These are inexpensive mystery boxes. I'm just trying to compare, you know what I mean? Compare a little bit of difference and variations of different mystery boxes, because you know you have a lot of high tier over $1,000 mystery boxes, but I'm kind of starting my YouTube channel. I don't want to overwhelm myself, and you know, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start purchasing these little mystery boxes. I'm gonna do drop videos on comparing mystery boxes, comparing items in mystery boxes, the counts down, you know, the counts on the screen. I'm gonna do all that. So this is a $59.99 retail shirt. Simple. Zane robe. Simple. Size small. Some of these items might be on sale. I'm gonna create a website pretty soon, so watch out for that. Yeah. Some of these items I might be keeping. So next shirt is okay. So we have a Jordan shirt, Jordan Flight shirt from Jordan Brand. Shout out to Jordan Brand. This is a size small, pretty dope. This looks like this shirt maybe matches. I'm not sure what shirt this matches. What shoes? I'm not sure what shoes these match, but it's a dope shirt. You can rock it with anything. Shout out to Jordan Brand for that. This shirt retailed at $35. $35. Shirt retailed at $35. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'll show you guys one more time. Not too bad. Got the flight on the top right here. Got the different symbols in here. It says for the love of the game. Shout out to Jordan. If you guys haven't seen The Last Dance yet, go check that out on ESPN. It's a dope documentary about Jordan. Michael Jordan, sorry about that. It's a dope documentary. Go check that out. Shirt retail at $35. So this is $60, $35. It's a $75 mystery box. So I'm already up one of that one too. But again, these are these are inexpensive mystery boxes you can purchase online. All right. This is the shirt that came. So this is the shirt I didn't reveal. So this is another Jordan shirt. Came with the $50 mystery box. Has the flames. It has Michael Jordan's hand on it. It has the yellow Michael Jordan sign right here with the basketball on fire. It has the Jordan brand logos. Size small, inexpensive, very inexpensive. This one was $35. So for the $50 mystery box, we got 35 and 35 and 55. So that's $85 right there. So that's $90. I'm sorry. Do my math quick. That's $90. So I'm already $40 up on that one. Shout out to Soul Play ATL for that. Go check them out. Like I said again, I'm gonna put the link in the description for their website and for their Instagram. Please go follow them and show love to them. These are pretty dope pieces right here. Next shirt I'm gonna show you from the $75 mystery box. This is one I might be keeping, depending on. I'm probably gonna keep this, depending on how it is. This Chinatown Market shirt. If you guys don't know, I really love the brand Chinatown Market. I have a couple shoes, Chinatown Market. That'll be in a later video when I, start my collection. I will do a collection reveal, see what kind of shoes I got in my collection. But it's a dope piece. Could go with anything. Retail is $40. Actually, you know what? Let me try it on. Let me try it on, guys. See how it fits me. Ooh. What you guys think? It's not too bad. I got the other shirt under, but I mean, I don't want to, But anyways, it's a nice little shirt. I just want to try it on for you guys. It fits. It's not too bad. Definitely will be keeping this. This is a dope shirt. Dope concept with the roses, different colors, Chinatown Market on top. Plain white shirt. Nothing on the back. Yeah, plain white shirt is dope. This retail at $35, I believe. Take this off. This retail at $40. So we are $90. We're $90, $40 profit on a $50 mystery box, and we got $40 right here, Chinatown Market T-shirt. We got a $60 shirt right here, Zen Roll. So that's $100 right there on the $75 mystery box. There's $100 right there, and $35. So that's a $135 total price for the $75 mystery box. So I paid for the $50 mystery box and the $75 mystery box. On the $50 mystery box, I'm $90 total value for that box. That's $40 profit off of what I paid for it. And again, this is not just an advertising. This is real. I'm going out there and paying for these mystery boxes to get delivered to me so I can review it for you guys. So $40 profit on that, $90 total value for the $50 mystery box. And for the $75 mystery box, I paid $75 for it, obviously. So $135 total value. So that's like a $35 profit right there. And again, some of these items I will be keeping because these are all my size. You can order mystery boxes in your size, or you can order them random sizes. It's up to you. It doesn't matter because right now I'm just kind of like trying to start my little collection. I'm trying to work my way up, financial wise, so I can get there. So we're at 300 something subscribers right now. My goal is to get to 1,000. So you guys will be seeing more bangers coming pretty soon. So stay tuned. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Please like that subscribe button, press the notification bell, and comment down below. And you guys have a great day. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Bam.